In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your preferred template in a PowerPoint presentation, making it easily accessible for future projects. Whether you're creating a business presentation, an educational lecture, or just a simple slideshow, having a custom template on hand can save you loads of time and streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to achieve this. To start, you'll need to go to your PowerPoint presentation file. Launch PowerPoint on your computer and open the presentation where you're already working, or the one that contains the template you wish to save. Once that's open, you should see various tabs across the top of the window: Home, Insert, Design, among others. Focus on the Design tab because that's where the magic happens. When you're on the Design tab, you have the opportunity to browse through different design ideas and themes that suit the content of your presentation. Make sure you have the specific template you want to save visible in your project. This template can be a pre-existing one or perhaps something you've personalized over time. Having this selected, make sure you are capturing exactly what you want to reuse later. Next, what you want to do is click on the File tab, which is typically in the top left corner of the PowerPoint window. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu filled with options related to file management. This includes everything from printing your presentation to sharing it online. For our purposes, we're going to focus on saving. Once in the File menu, look for the Save As option. This is where you're going to tell PowerPoint how and where to store your chosen template. You should see several location options like your OneDrive, local drive, or a specific folder. For this tutorial, we'll save it directly to the desktop for easy access. When prompted for a name, choose something descriptive like Custom Template 1 so you can easily recognize it later. After making sure everything is ready, click the Save button. Just like that, you've stored your preferred PowerPoint template exactly as you designed it. This means anytime you need to start a new presentation with the same look and feel, you'll have it readily available without having to recreate it from scratch. And there you have it. Saving your PowerPoint template is a straightforward process that can greatly improve your efficiency and creative consistency. Now you're ready to tackle your next project with a template that reflects your style and meets the needs of your presentation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to rewind and watch again if you need some more clarity on any of the steps.